Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Changed into my onesie because I am gonna start doing some work at my desk. Look at my hair. Ah! There's my phone. People are probably like, where are you? So her office is in like a mall. Oh, the door's closed. What? Hey guys, it is Monday, the first day of these vlogs that I'm trying out. I want to kind of document my weeks. I feel like that would be fun. Obviously still bringing you guys decor content every Friday, but yeah, I just want to try out this vlog thing. I love watching vlogs, so I was thinking why not give it a go. I've got my team here, Carla, who I just made coffee for.
Thank you.
And Alana's in the living room. I just wanted to show you guys what Alana found on the weekend. Look, it's a mini egg chair for cats. And it like swings and everything. Do you want to try the egg chair? Oh. I don't think she can get up on it because it's swinging. Today we are shooting a bit of like a bedroom update. This is what behind the scenes looks like. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy 2020. For today's video, I wanted to give you guys a little bedroom update and also take you through refreshing my shelves. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Can you see the hickey on my neck? It's not a hickey. It looks like I have a hickey on my neck. I don't. I burned myself with my I burned myself this morning with a crimping iron and now it's like, anyways, it looks like I have a hickey. I don't have a hickey, okay? God. I've changed because I'm off to a meeting. That's very exciting, and I hate to be one of those YouTubers that's like, I can't quite tell you what it's about, but I can't really tell you what it's about. Stay tuned, and yeah, off downtown to King West. So this is from H&M, cute little dress. My boots are from Steve Madden, I think, and this jacket is from Zara. Okay, I'm off. Bye. I have food in my mouth. Okay, bye, Elena. Bye. I wish Lottie could come with me. It's really sad. Hi.
Hi, dear, how are you?
Good, how are you? Guys, I'm home. Changed into my onesie because I am gonna start doing some work at my desk. I couldn't film the meeting because it's top secret. Heating up some leftovers, making some tea. The doorbell rang and I got this really cute delivery. So for Christmas, my sister got me an oven mitt. So I've lived in this apartment for a year and do not have oven mitts because I just haven't found any that I like. And so my sister got me these from Urban Outfitters and I love them. Okay, I'm gonna use it to take my lunch out of the oven. It's my fave. How cute is that? I always love days where it's like so quiet. Like this morning was so hectic because Carla was here and Alana was here and it's a small space and we were shooting, but I just love being able to sit down on my computer, which doesn't happen a lot, and just like do some emails and just catch up on life. Tomorrow I'm gonna be shooting for my new series, Make My Space Work. If you guys haven't checked it out, I'm gonna link it up here. It's a series I'm doing in partnership with Shopify where I'm helping entrepreneurs make over their workspaces. So I'm gonna film tomorrow because I think that's gonna be really fun and cool and different because it starts really early in the morning with me getting my makeup done, then going to set, like pulling the whole thing together. You can meet all the crew. Anyways, that's my plan. Not my plan, that is what I'm doing tomorrow. But for now, I'm gonna sit here, eat my lunch, drink my tea, and get some work done. 42 unread emails in the span of like 3 hours. I just don't just don't get it. First of all, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hope you're having a great day. Second, your oven mitts arrived literally as I was pulling my lunch out of the oven. So I got to use them and I love them. Thank you so much. It is now Tuesday morning. It's very early. It's 7. Maybe that's not early for a lot of you, but I was up early because we are shooting Make My Space work today. I'm so excited. So I got up, I got dressed, I had a shower, and my friend Alana, she does my makeup and hair. She is arriving momentarily, and she's gonna get me ready for the day. I don't usually get my hair and makeup done when I'm on like just doing my shoots, but for this series, I am, because there's such early call times, so it's nice to have someone here to help me get ready. Guys, this is Alana. Let's take a look at all of the makeup. This is how we get the natural glow, right?
Yes.
All of this.
Yeah. This is just a condensed kit.
That's so funny.
Super simple. With my assistant.
Hi, Lottie. Guys, look at my hair. Ah! Okay, so we used this tool that I bought recently from Amazon, and it's this cute little like crimpy thing. Of course, Alana did it like amazing.
Thanks.
And I was gonna say we could maybe put it up, but I like it down.
Yeah.
Okay, so almost
I like
done.
it down today.
Lipstick. Okay, because I know you guys are gonna ask. This lipstick is a MAC lipstick, and it's called D for Danger. And it's lipstick I wear always, all the time.
Pretty much her signature lip.
Which highlight did you use?
I used...
People are gonna definitely ask you questions in the comments.
I used Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter in the color called Spotlight.
It's so nice. And you just put it...
Yeah, I just put it just on the high plane of your cheek and a little bit under your brow.
Oh.
Yeah, with a fluffy brush. It actually has like a spongy tip, but I didn't use that. I just used a brush.
I love that.
To add glow. And I added the Glossier cheek
Also one of my
cloud paint.
faves.
Just with my fingers gently.
I use this all the time. I feel like you and I should do a vloggy type video where we go through
the steps and the brushes and the tools.
Let me know in the comments below if you guys would want to see me and an Alana collab. There's my phone. People are probably like, where are you? I'm here and I'm late as per usual. So her office is in like a mall, so I'm gonna try and find it. Oh, the door's closed. It's locked. Amanda. Your call. Why isn't she answering? Okay.
You're locked out of the mall.
The mall door is closed.
What do you mean you're locked out of the mall? No one's locked out of the mall.
The mall is
Where are you?
the mall is closed.
Oh, I can actually see you.
You can? Wait, where are you?
Can you
Here?
see me? Yeah, but I'm like above you. You have to take the elevator.
Oh, elevator.
Okay.
Okay.
Here you go. Camera's rolling.
So now it's time to paint the circle. Circle. I don't know how I feel about it. Yeah, it does. We're painting this beautiful giant pink circle. It's gonna look so good. So we're having lunch now. We're breaking for lunch. What time is it?
We're not breaking for lunch.
Oh, we're not breaking
Chico's
for
still
lunch.
working.
As I like sit here, you're not doing anything. Yeah, you're in focus. Okay, so step out for a second.
If I stand here, am I in focus?
Yes.
That's
Chico
wrong, right?
is
Yeah.
like our handyman on set. Well, he's a set director, and he helps me build things. He helps me paint things, and we just sent him outside to spray paint a sign, and we're recording it. It actually looks really good.
Welcome to my pink circle.
Pink circle. What happens in the pink circle?
I can't tell you what happens in the pink circle stays in the pink circle.
Got it. It looks really good though. I would say usually around like 2 or 3 p.m. we enter chaos. This is our chaos right now. So we got some snacks, some cookies.
Sweet mama. I love that.
So we have this light that's very reflective. We can see our reflections in it. So today, Scott taught us all that you use cooking oil, apparently. Let's see if this works. And it's supposed to like blur it out a little bit. Ooh, that's actually working. Whoa. Wait, I don't know if this is working.
see us in it anymore.
Yeah, but it doesn't look right. It's like yellow now.
No.
Okay, we have Windex. Hold on, I'm gonna. Okay, so the conclusion is it works, but you just have to like rub it in. It's cool because this is the side that's very reflective versus this side. Nice one, Scott. I was worried there for a second.
Same.
Scott was like, oh no, what did I do? We're just gonna have to wipe the actual like butter off her light before she comes back.
You don't think we should give it to her a butter?
Buttered up?
No,
All buttered
I
up?
don't think so. Guys, we're done the makeover. I can't show you, but I encourage you to go subscribe to the Make My Space work channel so you can eventually see this, right? Scott thinks it's like possibly the best one yet.
Rolling. Oh, I think the walls like are just a cool thing.
You guys, I'm home. It's actually such an early time to be home. It is 6:24. Usually when we shoot, we're home at like 8 or 9. So this is a record. Just got changed into my onesie. And after a shoot, I always come home and wash my face because I have tons of makeup on. Not tons of makeup, but enough makeup. So I'm going to wash my face and also show you guys some of the products that I use because a lot of you have asked about my skincare routine. Yeah, usually I do this like later in the evening at like 8 or 9 when I'm getting ready for bed, but yeah, since we shot, I need to wash this off. Okay, let's do it. I always wash my hands before I wash my face just because I want to have clean hands. I kind of actually jump between a few cleansers, but the one I'm using right now is one that I've been using for a very long time. The Vichy cleanser. I have pretty like normal skin, so I don't find like I'm picky with cleansers, but my skin does react to different serums and moisturizers. Yeah, so I'm gonna wash my face. I love Province Apothecary. They're a Toronto-based holistic skincare like store, and they also do facials. I go there actually almost every couple months for a facial. So this is the Invigorating and Balancing Toner. It's rose and geranium. I use this in the morning and the evening. I just spray a bit on my face, like so. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. It's like very natural and floral and just beautiful. So while my skin is still a bit damp, I then go in with the serum. This is the Made For You custom serum. Cassandra, the girl who does my facials, always like puts, you know, different ingredients in it if she thinks my skin needs something else, like hydration or whatever. So that's really awesome. So I just take a bit of it. I also use this in the morning, but I'll use it a little bit differently. If you guys would like to see a morning skincare routine, comment down below. Sometimes I use a bit more if I feel like my skin needs hydration, and because I had a lot of makeup on today, I always like to go in with a bit more. I rub it down my neck. I then go in with another Toronto-based brand, actually. Sorry, I said Toronto. They're from Niagara Falls. Carde Osset. It's French. I've used their products before. Again, they're really all natural. And Carla, who you guys know, for Christmas she gave me their Calm Spray and their Activate Spray. It's just the most amazing smelling mist, and it really is very calming. I don't spray it directly on my face. I just spray a little bit. I gotta put my face into it. I just love using this usually before I go to bed. And yeah, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision. It smells so good. It's usually what I do for my nighttime routine. I keep it really simple, and I've honestly found that more natural products are just like so much better for my face. If you guys have any questions about my routine, let me know down below. It's pretty simple, and I think that's where I'm gonna end this vlog. I feel like that was a kind of a jam-packed 2 days. As I mentioned at the beginning of these videos, I will be doing these weekly. I hope to be doing them weekly. It's my goal, and I'd love to know, like, are you guys into these? Will you watch them? I'm obviously gonna try and just do a couple days a week that I think are good days to film. You know, when I have something exciting going on, I'm going on TV in a couple weeks, so I'm definitely gonna film that behind the scenes. And yeah, I just want you guys to be kind of like more involved with the process, because you're such a big part of my life. Those of you who tune in and comment, and yeah, it's just exciting. I never thought I'd be a vlogger, but here we are. In the comments below, actually, pop down the names of some of your most favorite vloggers. I'm gonna start with mine. Oh my gosh, Lottie. I love watching Rianne and Ashley's vlogs. I love watching Zoella's vlogs. The Mitchellacks are amazing. Those are all British vloggers, but yeah, those are 3 of my faves, and I'd love to know what your favorites are down below. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on Friday, and I will see you next Wednesday for another one of these vlogs. Bye.